बोले श्री गणपति भगवान की जय। भवानी शंकर भगवान की जय। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। राधा कृष्ण भगवान की जय। ओम श्री गुरुदेवेभ्यो नमः। शिवतनय वरिष्ठं सर्वकल्याणमूर्तिं परशुकमलहस्तं शोभितं मोदकेन अरुणकुसुममाला व्याललम्बोदरन्तं मम हृदय निवासं श्रीगणेशं नमामि। सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबिके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। मंगलम भगवान शंभो मंगलम दृषभक्तजा मंगलम पार्वती नाथा सर्वमंगल मंगलम। श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार बरनो रघुवर विमल जसु जोदायक फलचार बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहो मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार। राम जी से राम राम कहियो कहियो जी हनुमान जी।
राम जी से राम राम कहियो कहियो जी हनुमान जी। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीश तिनु लोक उजागर। राम दूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा। ओ महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमत निवार सुमति के संगी। कंचन वरन विराज सुवेशा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा।
हाथ भद्र और ध्वजा विराजे
कान्हे मूंज जनेऊ साजे। शंकर सुवन केसरी नंद तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर। प्रभु चरित सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा। भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे।
बोलाए सजीवन
लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर्ष उर लाए। रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत संभाई। सहस बदन तुमरो यश गावे यस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे। सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहिसा। यम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते कवि कोविद कह सके कहाते। तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा राम मिलाए राजपद दीन्हा। तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। जिन सहस्र योजन पद भानु लीलो ताहि मधुर पद जाना। प्रभु मुद्रिका मुख माही चरनि लांघि के अचरज नाही। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुमरे तेते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे। सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज समारो आपे तीनों लोक हाथ पे कापे। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे तासु नित जीवन फल पावे चारों युग परताप तुम्हारा है प्रसिद्ध जगत जियारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता स्वर दीन जानकी माता राम रसायन तुमरे पास सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा तुमरे भजन राम को भावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे अंत काल रघुबरपुर जाए जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहा और देवता चेतन धरहि हनुमत से सर्व सुख करे संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा जो सुमिरे हनुमत मन पीरा जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई जो शत बार पाठ कर कोई श्रुत ही बंदी महासुख हो जो यहाँ पर हनुमान चालीसा हो इसे निसाती गौरी तुलसीदास सदा हरि जय जय नाथ हृदय महादेव जय नाथ हृदय महादेव जय नाथ हृदय महादेव
पवन तनय संकट हरण मंगल मूर्ति रूप राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय में बसहु सुरभूप बोले पवन सुत हनुमान की जय सिया भज रामचंद्र की जय। My pranam to all of you and welcome to this evening's program Shanti Satsang. Hope all of you are well, hope all of you are happy, hope all of you are staying safe as you should be staying. We're going to have a nice program today and I'm so touched by the people who are actually celebrating such beautiful evenings today. So we have a lot to talk about and to celebrate and to plan and to announce. So we'll do that this evening. Stay in tune. We're going to have the girls sing now. Bhumika and Vrinda are going to sing 2 songs today. Vrinda will sing first. She will sing Mangala Murti Ram Dulare. Mangala Murti Ram Dulare. Kaun hai Mangal Murti? Who is the Murti of Mangal? Mangal means auspiciousness. And if you want to look at a Murti of auspiciousness, Ram Dulare Hanumanji. He is no other than Hanumanji Maharaj. So please enjoy this very old bhajan, I must say, by Hari Om Sharanji that has never left our heart and will forever enchant our lives.
मंगल मूर्ति राम दुलारे आन परायब तेरे द्वारे मंगल मूर्ति राम दुलारे आन परायब तेरे द्वारे हे बजरंग बली हनुमान हे महावीर करो कल्याण हे महावीर करो कल्याण। तीनों लोक तेरा उजियारा दुखियों का तूने काज सवारा तीनों लोक तेरा उजियारा दुखियों का तूने काज सवारा हे जगवंदन केसरी नंदन हे जगवंदन केसरी नंदन कश हरो है कृपा निधान कश हरो है कृपा निधान मंगल मूर्ति राम दुलारे आन परायब तेरे द्वारे हे बजरंग बली हनुमान हे महावीर करो कल्याण हे महावीर तेरा सुमिरन हनुमत बीरा, नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा। तेरा सुमिरन हनुमत बीरा, नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा। राम लखन सीता मन बसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। शरण परे का कीजे ध्यान, शरण परे का कीजे ध्यान। मंगल मूर्ति राम दुलारे, आन पराय अब तेरे द्वारे। हे बजरंग बली हनुमान, हे महावीर करो कल्याण, हे महावीर करो कल्याण, हे महावीर करो कल्याण।
Timeless, old, and just very beautiful bhajan that will never, of course, fade away from our lives. These are the bhajans that help make us or help curb, our pathway to being great Hindus by Hari Om Sharan. Tino lok tera ujiyara, dukhiyo ka tune kaaj sawara. He is present in all the worlds, and he, of course, relieves dukhiyo ka tune kaaj sawara. Hanumanji Maharaj, the beautiful song to him. We will hear Bhumika now. She will sing Ram Ram Rat Bhaiya, and this bhajan is dedicated to Ram Bhagwan. Of course, there is no Hanumanji without Ram. There is no Duniya chale na Shri Ram ke bina, Ramji chale na Hanuman ke bina. The world cannot go on without Shri Ram, and Ram Bhagwan cannot go on without Hanumanji Maharaj. Bhumika, Ram Ram Rat Bhaiya.
राम राम रत भैया, तेरा मनवा जब घबराई रे। राम राम रत भैया, तेरा मनवा जब घबराई रे। दुखों के सगर से वही नैया पार लगाई रे। दुखों के सगर से वही नैया पार लगाई रे। राम राम रत भैया, तेरा मनवा जब घबराई रे। भैया, तेरा मनवा जब घबराई रे। दुखों के सगर से वही नैया पार लगाई रे। दुखों के सगर से वही नैया पार लगाई रे। उलझा रहेगा बंदे के जाल में, राम को बसाने मूरख अपने ख्याल में। उलझा रहेगा बंदे माया के जाल में, राम को बसाने मूरख अपने ख्याल में। बिना राम सुमिरन के क्यों अपना जन्म गवाए रे। बिना राम सुमिरन के क्यों अपना जन्म गवाए रे। दुखों के सगर से वही नैया पार लगाई रे। दुखों के सगर से वही नैया पार लगाई रे। खाली हाथ आया है तू खाली हाथ जाएगा। राम में रमेगा तू ही राम धन पाएगा। खाली हाथ आया है तू खाली हाथ जाएगा। राम में रमेगा तू ही राम धन पाएगा। सेवा भाव से मांगे तो मन मांगा हो पाए रे। सेवा भाव से मांगे तो मन मांगा हो पाए रे। दुखों के सगर से वही नैया पार लगाई रे। दुखों के सगर से वही नैया पार लगाई रे। राम राम रत भैया, तेरा मनवा जब घबराए रे। राम राम रत भैया, तेरा मनवा जब घबराए रे। दुखों के के सगर से वही नैया पार लगाए रे, दुखों के सगर से वही नैया पार लगाए रे, दुखों के सगर से वही नैया पार लगाए रे।
Today we'd like to wish heartfelt congratulations to Mataji Hema Prasad on her birthday. Today she celebrates her 72nd birthday, and we would like to join with her family and wish her a happy, blessed, and a very pleasant birthday. I'll read to you a congratulatory message and a message of best wishes from her family. Heartfelt congratulations are extended to Mrs. Hema Prasad of Scarborough on her 72nd birthday. Mataji Hema is a much loved and respected wife of Pitaji Kamal, a loving mother to her 3 children, Vedika, Bramdev, and Suvika, a doting grandmother to her 4 grandchildren, Vidya, Ariana, Devesh, and Bhavin, and is very much loved by all her relatives. We would like to wish you, Mataji Hema, happy 72nd birthday, and hope and pray that you continue to celebrate life and to be with your family. I of course know among your children, Sue and Raj, and their children, they attend the temple. And I'm so happy that we can do something on Shanti Satsang to celebrate with you on your very, very blessed birthday. I would like to offer a prayer and a song to Hanumanji Maharaj. Friends, and this is not only for Mataji, but for all of you who are looking in this program today. We, in sickness, in happiness, in sorrows, in pains, whatever it is, we have, yes, the professionals out there to take care of it. But don't ever forget that our Lord, when a doctor says, I've done my job, it's all in his hands now, or only time. Time means God. Time is Kala, right? Time means God. And whenever or whatever we do in life, always remember Bhagwan is the Sudarshan Chakra, Chakra Sudarshan Lekar Ab Aya Nand Kishore. He is the one who controls the wheel of time and time itself. I would like to offer a special song to this mother, a Hanumanji song. An upbeat song to lift your spirits on your birthday. It is your birthday, so we have to celebrate and be joyful and be happy with you, and send you Hanumanji's blessings and well wishes for great health, great family, happiness, and just success in life. Pranavau Pavana Kumar Khalban Pavak Gyan Ghanam Jasu Hridayagar Basahu Ram Sarchap Ghanam. Chale Hanuman Yah Ave Shri Ram Ji ke धुंध मचावे चले हनुमान यहाँ आवे श्री राम जी के धुंध मचावे चले हनुमान यहाँ आवे श्री राम जी के धुंध मचावे. Come on everybody, help me and let us celebrate our birthday today on Shanti Satsang with the Shanti Satsang family. Let's celebrate her birthday. Happy birthday. चले हनुमान यहाँ आए श्री राम जी के धुंध मचावे चले हनुमान यहाँ आवे श्री राम जी के धुंध मचावे धुंध मचाए ऐसी धुंध मचाए ऐसी धुंध मचाए सुनकर आए रघुराए हाँ सुनकर आए रघुराए श्री राम जी के धुंध मचावे चले हनुमान यहाँ आए श्री राम जी की धुंध मचावे. जय हो बजरंगबली. गंगा जी आए यमुना जी आए, गंगा जी आए यमुना जी आए, हो यमुना जी आए, यमुना जी आए, गंगा जी आए यमुना जी आए, गंगा जी आए यमुना जी आए, त्रिवेणी संगम आए, त्रिवेणी संगम आए, श्री राम जी के दूत मचाए, चले हनुमान यहाँ आवे, श्री राम जी के दूत मचाए। बजरंगबली भगवान की जय। भक्त जनों की पावन कर दे, भक्त जनों की घर पावन कर दे, हो पावन कर दे, हो पावन कर दे, भक्त जनों की पावन कर दे। आए आए रघुराए, आए आए रघुराए, श्री राम जी के दूत मचाए, चले हनुमान यहाँ आवे, श्री राम जी के दूत मचाए। जय हो। दास जनों की यही बिनती, दास जनों की यही बिनती, दास जनों की यही बिनती, चरण कमल बलिहारी, चरण कमल बलिहारी, श्री राम जी के दूत मचाए, चरण कमल बलिहारी, श्री राम जी के दूत मचाए, चले हनुमान यहाँ आवे, श्री राम जी के दूत मचावे, चले हनुमान यहाँ आवे, श्री राम जी के दूत, अरे चले हनुमान यहाँ आवे, श्री राम जी के दूत मचावे, चले हनुमान यहाँ आवे, श्री राम जी के दूत, श्री राम जी के दूत मचावे, श्री राम जी के दूत मचावे, श्री राम जी के दूत मचावे। प्रेम से बोलो श्री पवन सुत हनुमान की जय हो। Mataji is not feeling too well, so we will dedicate the last Hanumanji Chalisa for her as well, and hope, of course, her spirits are raised as we celebrate in Shanti Satsang. I would like to also wish a very special couple in my life and in our life a very happy 59th wedding anniversary. Wow, 59 years of life together. Oh, the average age these days to live is not 59. But this couple has lived together so far for 59. Next year will be 60. We have to do big celebration next year. Dhoom dham. Well, happy 59th anniversary goes out today to our loving parents, Mr. and Mrs. Arjun Singh. We would like to also congratulate our mom on her special birthday as she's celebrating her milestone birthday, 75 blissful years today. Wow. Mrs. Arjun, happy birthday to you, Mataji. And I cannot guess that you're 75 years old, please. I couldn't guess that you're 75. Happy birthday to you. Greetings are coming, of course, from your 6 wonderful children, Sister Kami, Nalini, Anita, Anand, Ray, and Rishi. Nonetheless, not forgetting all their wonderful grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and other extended families. May Bhagwan Shri Krishna bless you both with many, many more years of love and happiness and blissful moments in your beautiful life together. Also, a happy 50th birthday to our loving, caring, and wonderful brother Ray. Ray celebrating 50? Oh, I didn't know that. May you have another 50 years of blissful happiness. We all love you dearly. May Bhagwan shower his blessings on you. So 3 things we're celebrating in this beautiful family. This is a family that is, of course, no stranger to me at all. Very generous, contributing family to our community, hardworking. So this is Anita's parents, Anita, who comes to our temple. I think most people know her. Sister Kami, Rishi, Ray. I know most of the children. And I'm glad that we're celebrating 59 years. Wow. That's Bhagwan's blessings to you both. I know, how hard through, discussions with your family, how hard you have worked to build what you have and to have the beautiful, loving children that you have today. So I'd like to wish you nothing but the best. And Mataji, happy 75th birthday. Amazingly celebrating 75 years with, great health and with your family there with you today. I know the children are over there today as well, so hopefully you guys are having a nice time. And Ray, happy birthday, sir. 50 years of life, celebrating your 50 years. It's something accomplished, so happy birthday to you. And the song was requested. I think a lot of people in the family like this song, so Mere sir par rakh banwari, dena ho to dijiye janam janam ka saath. This is a beautiful song that I've sung many times, but it's so beautiful. Mere sir par rakh do kanha. Put your hands on my head, Krishna. Mere sir par rakh banwari. Don't let any troubles come on my head, because whatever goes on this head here, whatever goes on this head affects your whole life. I want you to learn this lesson today. This is a teaching that we've got to, this is the whole Bhagavat. The whole Bhagavat is based on what Raja Parikshit has placed on his head. What did he wear? He told Kali Yuga, who was beating Mother Cow, he told Kali Yuga to go live in the gold. And the Raja Parikshit's crown was filled with gold, and he was influenced by Kali Yuga. Whatever we influence here, if you wear a tight hat, it will squeeze your head, you get a headache. If you take stress, you get a headache. If you put on something heavy on your head, you get a headache. Well, instead of putting stress, depression, and all this on your head, mere sir par rakh do kanha. Put your hands, O Krishna, put your hands on my head. Put your hands today on Mr. and Mrs. Arjun's head so that they can be relieved. Or they're not, going through anything, but they can live life with such joy and love. Bless both of them, of course. Dena ho to dijiye janam janam ka saath. And bless both of them, they can be janam janam ka saath. Janam janam ka saath hai. Tumhara hamara, tumhara hamara. May you live janam janam together, birth after birth. This beautiful song, Sham tere charno ki dhuli dhan daulat se mehengi hai. What is this saying? Hey Krishna, take all the wealth of the world, all the gold and the diamond and the riches of the world, and place it at your feet. Tere charno ki dhuli, the dust of your feet is more valuable. One who has touched the dust of your feet and has possession of the dust of your feet, O Krishna, is way richer than all the richness of the world. Charno ki dhuli. Ek nazar kirpa ki baba naam ijat se mehengi hai. Ek nazar kirpa ki baba. Whoever you watch, O Krishna, whoever you look upon, they become, of course, very pure. And naam and ijat, fame and everything becomes very poor in front of them. Mere dil ki tamanna yahi hai. It is my heart's desire. Karu seva teri din raat, that I want to serve you day and night, O Krishna. So let me do that right now. Dena ho to dijiye janam janam ka saath. Dena ho to dijiye janam janam ka saath. Mere sir par rakh do kanha. Oh, mere sir par rakh do kanha, mere sir par rakh do kanha, apne dono ye haath. Dena ho to dijiye janam janam ka saath. Dena ho to dijiye janam janam ka saath. देने वाले श्याम प्रभु से धन दौलत और क्या मांगे. श्याम प्रभु से मांगे तो फिर नाम इज्जत हो क्या मांगे. मेरे जीवन में अब कर दे, ओ मेरे जीवन में अब कर दे, मेरे जीवन में अब कर दे तू कृपा की दिन रात। देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ, देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ। जय हो। चरणों की धूली धन दौलत से महंगी है, एक नजर कृपा की बाबा नाम इज्जत से महंगी है। शाम तेरे चरणों की धूली धन दौलत से महंगी है, एक नजर कृपा की बाबा नाम इज्जत से महंगी है। मेरे दिल की तमन्ना यही है, ओ मेरे दिल की तमन्ना यही है, मेरे दिल की तमन्ना यही है, करूं सेवा तेरी दिन रात। देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ, देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ। गम की धूप में प्यार की छरिया कर दे, बिन माझी के नाव चले ना अब पतवार पकड़ ले। झलस रहे हैं गम की धूप में प्यार की छरिया कर दे, बिन माझी के नाव चले ना अब पतवार पकड़ ले। मेरा रास्ता रोशन कर दे, ओ मेरा रास्ता रोशन कर दे, मेरा रास्ता रोशन कर दे, छाई अंधियारी रात। देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ, देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ। मेरे सिर पर रख बनवारी, मेरे सिर पर रख दो कान्हा, अपने दोनों ये हाथ। देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ, अब तो कृपा दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ। देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ, अब तो कृपा दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ। May you of course be together for birth after birth and continue to give love to everyone around you. Shri Krishna. Yesterday we discussed chapter 12, or at least a few verses of chapter 12. Where did we leave off? Chapter 12 tells us of the Gita that it describes the devotee, bhakti yoga, the union or the pathway to God. Remember, yoga means union. Union of the self and the world, union of the self and the divine. When you are just united together, that is called yoga. Chapter 12, Bhakti Yoga, describes the devotee. This is a very interesting chapter of the Gita, which you should read, by the way. And it does not focus on God so much. Krishna Bhagavan, for a little moment, he steps back. Only 20 verses he gave you. All other verses he take. 20 verses he gave you. And he says, listen, I'm going to tell how you can actually attain me. What does he say yesterday? Yesterday, where did we leave off yesterday? That he says, having restrained all the senses, samniyam yendriyagramam sarvatra samabuddhaya ye prapnuvanti mameva sarvabhuta hite rata klesho adhiktarastesham avyakta sakta chetasam avyakta hi gaturdukam dehavadbhirvapyaye. He tells us how to meet him. He describes a devotee. He describes you. He said, when you stand in front of him, you have to restrain all your senses. And we talked about that. You can restrain a dog. You can restrain a horse. You can restrain an aeroplane by turning certain buttons and holding it. You can restrain anything, mostly physically. You can restrain a car from moving forward. But how do you restrain the senses? How do you restrain the senses? Very difficult, my friends. Do not make a conscious effort to restrain the senses. Restrain the senses mean, how do you avoid taste? How do you avoid seeing? How do you avoid listening? How do you avoid touching? Right? That is not what you restrain. That is an end state. That restraint will happen unconsciously. It will happen when you have built yourself in a certain way. When we are doing activities in life that are good, activities that are good, you're saying good things, you're thinking good things, you are listening to good things, you're looking at good things, guess what happened? Your senses is retained. It was restrained. When you're eating certain things, a certain tamasic food, your senses are restrained. You do not have to make an attempt to restrain those senses. Bhagavan Shri Krishna says. Now, he says, what are the qualities of my devotee? What are the qualities of my devotee? Well, if he's God, he has to specify what his qualities of the devotees are. God is the only thing that there's no qualification for, right? People says, you don't have to stop eating this, you don't have to stop drinking that, you don't have to think properly. All you have to do is have a clean mind and reach God. Well, I agree and I disagree, because everything in this world has a requirement. For you to get a job, there is a requirement. For you to have a job, there is a requirement. You have to be qualified either not academically or by experience. You have to be qualified by experience to do the job. Right? You have to be qualified to do that. Only thing that does not require a qualification in our mind is Bhagwan. Well, Bhagwan says, no. Listen. Chapter 12, he says, the devotee's divine traits. We have to be qualified, my friends, to be God's disciple. We have to be qualified. What does he say? Adveshta sarvabhutanam maitrah karunaye vachah nirmamo nirahankara samadukha sukha kshami santushtaha satatam yogi yatatma dhritanshah mayarpita mano buddhir yo bhaktah same priyah. Bhagwan tells you that to be a devotee of his, there is a qualification. Adveshta sarva bhutanam, he says. Remember, what is the meaning of bhoot? Can you all tell me what the meaning of bhoot is? I'm not hearing you. Bhoot. Bhoot has 3 meanings. Write it in your notebook tonight. Bhoot, sarva bhoot. Bhoot means, bhoot pisach nikat nahi aave, Mahabhir jab naam sunave. Remember when we were little and you go see movie night times and you're coming home and the breeze is blowing the black sage bush and it's going like hard and the trees are, and you just came out of a scary movie night time, your brother will tell you, oh, you're just trembling, and what you do, Bhoot pisach nikat nahi aave, Mahabhir jab naam sunave. Bhoot pisach nikat nahi aave, Mahabhir jab naam sunave. You start chanting Hanumanji Chalisa bhai. Hanumanji, don't let any zombie. Yeah, bhoot means souls. Bhoot, spirits. First meaning. Then bhoot means bhuta shuddhi, the elements. Bhoot means the elements. Bhuteshwara, Lord Shiva is the Lord of the elements. And the third, bhoot means sarva bhutesh, means all creation. All creation. Don't think that bhoot means zombie. Please don't let people tell you that alone. Bhoot has several meanings, right? And so, Bhagwan Shri Krishna says in the Gita, Adveshta sarva bhutanam, if anyone wants to be my devotee, then they have to not hate any beings. He who hates no being, who is friendly and compassionate to all, who is free from the feeling of I and mine, who is even-minded in pain and pleasure and forbearing, ever content, he who is steady in meditation, self-controlled, and possessed of firm conviction, with mind, I have hiccup, ever content, steady in meditation, self-controlled, and possessed of firm conviction, with mind and intellect fixed on me, he is dear to me as my devotee. Well, the Lord says, hello, knock, knock, I have news for you. I have news for you. And what is the news he has for all of us? Is that yes, there is a qualification to become a devotee. There is a qualification to be a devotee of God. It's not about pure mind alone, my friends. My mind clean. And that's, no. The Lord says, he who hates no being. I want to ask you a question. Do you hate anybody? Right? Do you hate anybody? I've heard so many times, I hate this, I hate that, I hate dogs, I hate cats, I hate turtle, I hate, salipenta, whatever. The thing is that we don't encourage things in our life, but we can tolerate. He who hates no being, who's friendly and compassionate to all. Friendly and compassionate doesn't cause a penny, right? It doesn't cause a penny. And who is free from the I and mine? This is I and this is mine. I am this, I am that, this is mine, that is mine. The Lord says, when you're free from all of that, then Arjun, you are my devotee. You are my devotee. Can I ask a question? Do you know anyone like that? If you know someone like that, or if you are someone like that, my friends, treasure that person or treasure yourself, because you're special. Bhagavan says there is a qualification for all of that. Him by whom this world is not afflicted. Yasmano dujate loke lokanugrahajate naja. He who by whose this world is not afflicted. There are many, my friends, who came to add value to this world, and there are many who came to take away the valuables of this world. There are those who are causing so much pain to this earth, and there are so many who are removing the pain from this earth. Chanakniti tells us, Ki yesham na vidya na tapo na danam na chapi shila na guno na dharma te murtya loke bhuvi bhara bhutam manushya rupe mriga charanti. Chanakniti tells us, how do you know when you are a burden to this earth? How do you know when you are burdened to this? Is it by your weight? Is it by your weight? Certainly not. Is it by your looks? Oh no. How do you know when you're burdened to this earth? Yesham na vidya, one who fails to embrace knowledge. Not tapona danam, a person who do not do tapasya, who do not pray. Na danam, who does not give. No? Who does not give. Na chapi shila na guno na dharma, one who fails to cultivate knowledge and good conduct. Guno na dharma, shila means, just manners. Hello, how are you? Hi, thank you, you're welcome. Those are called, simple, basic manners. Na guno na dharma, those who do not have guna or dharma. What is our dharma in life? My dharma has always told you, this life is to serve. This life is cut out for serving, nothing else, that's it. I'm going to serve and serve until that time comes when he says it's time to go, but that's it. This life, this one here is cut out for serving. Because that's all I can do best. That's what I can do best. I can serve well. I know how to clean. I know how to decorate a little bit. I know how to entertain people. I know how to tell stories. I'm serving. I know how to buy things and give people. I know how to give people what I have. This is seva. My dharma is seva. What is your dharma? You've got to have a dharma in life. Nachapi shila na gunona dharma. A person who do not have dharma, who do not have dharma. Te marcha loke bhuvivavar bhutam manushya rupe mega charanti. Chanakniti says, we are a burden on this earth when we have nothing like that. When we have no dharma, we have no goals, we have no manners, we have no knowledge of life. I'm not talking about certificates, I'm talking about knowledge. We have no friendship, we have no companionship, we have no love. This is when we have become a burden to this earth. A burden to this earth, my friends. Please do not be a burden to this earth. Please be nice to people. You cannot be smiling to God and then be, of course, frown your face on people. You cannot be giving a love to God when Prabhu's devotees and creatures of Sarvabhut, all of creation, is thirsty for your love. All of creation is thirsty for your love. So what are we waiting for? Don't wait for anything. Bhagavan Shri Krishna says, he by whom this world is not afflicted, and whom the world cannot afflict. It goes two ways. You're not causing danger to the world, and the world is not causing you any pain. Sometimes, some of us, if the sun hot, the sun too hot. Then when the winter come, it too cold. And then when the spring come, too much rain. And when the fall come, too much leaves. And when the summer comes, too much sun. It means this world is not good for you. Shri Krishna Bhagavan says, if this world is causing you any pain, you're not my devotee, because this is how I've created it. This is how I've created the world. And my devotee will accept my creation. Recently we were talking with some friends, and there is something called coincidence that I don't believe in. And it is not that I don't believe in it because it is my opinion or my choice. It is because God, when He created this world, Bhagavan, when He created this world, He is not like us. He did not just create this world and leave it like that. No. Bhagavan did not create the earth and plants and leave it like that. He created the rains. So that we'll have megha, we'll have rains to come down and cool the earth when the heat overtakes it. He just didn't create the oceans like that. He created them in a certain way so that land is higher in most cases than the oceans. I have never subscribed to that thing that's called coincidence. Because God, the divine, the creator, has His very unique way of bringing things together, of bringing people together. Sometimes you see, you're driving and from nowhere you see somebody that you know, what a coincidence. No. Creation has brought you together. Creation has brought you together. There are many of you who sort of like stumble upon this program called Shanti Satsang. I want to tell you that. Many people didn't know about it, the satsang, and they said, Panji, we just stumbled on it one day. And we were hooked on it. One sister from New York called this afternoon. We had a nice chat. And they're committed to the program. It's changed their lives. People were just introduced to it by somebody. This is not a coincidence, friends. No. Creation is done in a certain way. Creation is done in a certain way, my friends. That it brings people together. It brings things together. There's no such thing as coincidences. God's work, Bhagavan's work is too great to be a coincidence, to be an accident. Coincidence is an accident. The Lord says, He who does not afflict the world and the world does not afflict. He who is free from joy and anger, dualities. We're only happy when we are joyful, but we're not happy when we're angry. Well, he who is free from joy and anger, fear and anxiety, he is my devotee, or she, in this case as well, is my devotee, my friends. That's my devotee. When we are free from joy and anger, happiness and sadness, all these kind of things. Listen, remember Mata Kunti in the Bhagavatam? We just finished Bhagavad this week. Bhagavatam is such an amazing incarnation of Bhagavan Shri Paramatma Krishna. That Mata Kunti tells Krishna, Krishna, bless me with so much pain so that I will always remember you. I will always remember you. When you tell the ordinary person to go for a checkup at your doctor, just to make sure you're healthy, your physical is okay and so on, the ordinary person who does not have time for that. But when a sickness comes, they are there every week. Many of us are guilty of this. I'm guilty of it, you are, whatever. Right? We're guilty of this. These are things we have to take in life. And so, attending mandir, satsangs and all that, my friends, take it as a blessing. And take it as a way to get closer to your divine. Bhagavan Shri Krishna says, Anapeksha shuchir daksha udaschini gata vyataha sarvarambha parityagi yo bhaktasa same priyaha. He who has no wants. The Lord is describing you. The Lord is describing you. Sri Krishna is describing you. If you love Krishna, Krishna is my life, Krishna is my prana, my breath, Krishna is my everything. Bhagavan Shri Krishna is describing you in chapter 12 of the Gita. Whenever I talk about chapter 12 to Gita students, I tell them all the time, you want to know who you are? I say, who love Krishna, they put up their hand. I say, very nice. You want to know who you are? If you're a lover of Krishna, you're a devotee of Krishna, your description is in chapter 12 of the Gita. He says, he who has no wants, who is pure and prompt, unconcerned, untroubled, and who is selfless in all his undertakings, who is thus devoted to me, that person is my devotee. No? He who has no wants, I don't want this, I don't want that, who is pure and prompt, unconcerned, he who neither rejoices nor hates, nor grieves nor desires, renouncing good and evil, full of devotion, he is dear to me. He is dear to me, my friends. And this is Krishna Bhagavan describing you in the Gita. If at all you want to know who you are, if at all you want to know what the qualifications of a devotee should be, please listen to chapter 12 of the Gita. Let us discuss it and let us make sense out of it, because it is only when we do this that Sri Krishna Bhagavan, accepts us. The Lord is saying, he who neither rejoices nor hates nor grieves nor desires, renouncing good and evil, full of devotion, he is dear to me. We are really rejoicing in happy times, my friends. I tell you that, everything happens for a reason, no coincidences. COVID has happened for a reason. We have lost a lot of lives, and we pray for the well-being of the families who have lost people. But my friends, everything has happened for a reason. Sri Krishna Bhagavan says. And the last verse that I'll read to you tonight, Sama Shatro cha mitre cha tatha manapamanayum shishnot sukha dukkheshu sama sankha vivarchitaha. He who is the same to foe and friend, and also honor and dishonor. He who is the same in cold and heat, in pleasure and pain, who is free from attachment, that person is my child, is my devotee. Very interesting words of the Lord. Who is same to the foe and the friend? How many of us, how many of us can be the same to a friend and yet be the same to someone who hates us? Right? Who is the enemy in life? There is one prayer that I want you to learn the meaning. Lakshmi karotu kalyanam arogyam sukha sampada mama shatru vinashaya deepa jyotir namostute. What is the meaning of this prayer? The meaning of this prayer, Lakshmi karotu kalyanam, we bow to you, Mahalakshmi, who gives blessings in abundance. Arogyam sukha sampada. Arogya means pains or illness, mental illness, physical illness. We're asking Mahalakshmi, Arogyam, take away our arogya, make us pain-free. Hip pain, knee pain, chest pain, hand pain, head pain, nose pain, ear pain, teeth pain, heart pain. Take our pains away, Mahalakshmi. Arogyam, sukha sampada, and let us enjoy happiness, because it is only a pain-free person who is happy. A pain-free person. Mama Shatru. Mama Shatru means my enemy is Mahalakshmi. Vinashaya. Destroy my enemies. Deepa Jyotir Namostate. We bow to you, O light. Who is your enemy? You're telling the goddess Mahalakshmi, Vinashaya, destroy them. कौन है हमारा दुष्ट? कौन है आपका दुश्मन? Who is your enemy? Can we really go to God? Do you think God have any place for this? We go to God and say, God, he's my enemy, she's my enemy, I don't like him, I don't like her. Those are likes and dislikes of life that we are not yet built to adapt to. We are not yet built to tolerate people in life. So those are not the enemies. The enemies are not the one who have troubled you or hated you. Those are not even close to being the enemies we have internal, inside of us. Mama Shatru Vinashaya. Destroy our enemies, Mahalakshmi. This means the little things in us that grow, the little impure thoughts that accumulate inside of us, that grow to become a monster. You should never, ever let go or disregard any evil things when it comes in you. A single iota, single presence of hate or something in you or jealousy, you got to take charge of it right now. Because when you take charge of it right now, what happens? If you do when it is small, then you will prevent it from growing into a monster. Similarly, my friends, you know, like to your garden, do not ignore the little weeds because they will grow to become one big root that will become a monster. Do not ignore your children when they are little. They have certain behavior. Your child yet, your picnic yet. Children, this, guess what? When they grow with now and they have grown into those habits, they have grown into a monster that you cannot control. That is why, pull out the weeds when they're young. Pull out the weeds when they're young. This is the meaning of this prayer. He is the same, Krishna Bhagavan says, if you want to be my devotee, you have to be same. You have to be same to my friends and the enemies. And in honor and dishonor, you have to be happy. Who is the same in cold and in heat? Don't complain about the heat. Don't complain about the cold. It is what it is, God's creation. And who is free from attachment? This, Bhagavan Sri Krishna says, are the qualifications of my devotee. The Lord's devotee have qualifications, my friends. You have to be qualified. You have to be qualified. I leave you with these verses tonight and we pick it up tomorrow evening. On a program note, please listen very carefully because I know some of you, will get upset. But tomorrow evening we will start the program at 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. tomorrow. So 1 hour, 8 to 9 p.m. Please make a note of this, that we'll start Shanti Satsang tomorrow, 8 to 9 p.m. I have a very packed day tomorrow, and I want to make sure that I still have time for you and you for me. So 8 to 9 p.m. tomorrow, I will be on the air with the group for Shanti Satsang, and we'll celebrate together. Also, next week Sunday, I'm inviting all of you to celebrate with us at Bhavani Shankar Mandir in the temple, our 150th day of Shanti Satsang. Our 150th day will be on Thursday, August 12th. But I don't want to do it on Thursday, August 20th. But we can't do it on a Thursday because people are busy, I'm busy. So, the program will be held. Of course, we will be on the air until Thursday, but the 150th day celebration will be held in the temple on next week Sunday. Next week Sunday at the temple. Let me give you the date for that. And I want all of you to come. So that will be the 23rd of August, 2020. 23rd of August, next week Sunday. All of you are invited to the temple as we celebrate Shanti Satsang. And we have the culmination ceremony of 150 consecutive days where we have been with you in dark nights, cold nights, troubling times. When the world was shut down, we were together. You stuck with us, and we stuck with you. So we want to celebrate that. And I want you to come out. I have no financial asking from anyone. I'm not going to ask you to give $150. I'm not going to ask you to. I just ask you to be nice to the temple. And, just come out and let's celebrate for about 2 hours. We'll have a nice little program. and we'll be there together. This is history in the making here. Somebody told me today we should broadcast this thing. We should, if any one of you know any press out there that you want to invite to come and cover it, we'll be happy to bring them on board. Of course, under conditions there to cover the event. Next week starts Sunday, August 23rd at Bhavani Shankar Mandir, inviting all of you to come on out. 9:30 a.m. our regular service time. 9:30 a.m. Yeah, 9:30 a.m. at our regular Sunday service. We'll be celebrating 9:30 to 11:30, 2 hours of program. So I hope to see all of you, and Shubhratri. Let us do Hanumanji Chalisa as we dedicate this Chalisa tonight to Mataji Hema Prasad for good health and for relief of any kind of illness we're going through in life. Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raja Nij Man Mukur Sudhar Barno Raghubar Bimal Jasu Jodayak Palchar बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हारहु कलेश विकार जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीश तिन्हु लोक उजागर
रामदूत तुलक बल धामा
अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत
नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंग कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन वदन विराज सुरेश
कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा हाथ भद्र और ध्वजा विराजे कान्हे मूंज जनेऊ साजे
शंकर सुवन केसरी नंद तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति
राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित सुनिबे को रसिया
राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि से दिखा विकट रूप धरि रंग जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहार रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाए जीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर्ष उर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत संभाए सहस वदन तुम रोइष्णव हस गए श्रीपति कंठ लगावे संतातिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीस नारद सारद सहित अहिसा यम कुबेर दिगपाल चहाते कवि कोविद कह सके कहाते तुम उपकार सिद्धि देती राम मिलाए राजपद दीना तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण मान लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना युग सहस्रियो जन पर भान दीनों का ही मधुर पर जान प्रभु मुद्रिका मिल मुख माही जरनी लांग गए अचर चलाए दुर्गम काज जगत के जयते सुगमानो तुमरे देते राम द्वारे तुम रखवार होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे सब सुन रहे तुम्हारे सर तुम रक्षक का हो को डरना आपन तेज संभालो तीनों लोक हाथ पे काबे भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं महावीर जब नाम सुनाते नासे रोग हरे सब पीर जपत निरंतर हनुमत पीरा संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा दिन के काज सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लाभ आसुनित जीवन फल पावे चारों युग पद तात तुम्हार हे प्रसिद्धि जगत जियारा साधु संत के तुम रखवार असुर निकंदन राम द्वारे अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता असवर दीन जानकी माता राम रसायन तुम्हारे पास सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा तुम्हारे भजन राम को भावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे अंत काल रघुबर पुर जाय जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाय और देवता चित्तन धरहि हनुमत से सर्व सुख करहि संकट कटे नहीं सब पीरा जो सुमिरे हनुमत बल बीरा जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाय जो शत बार बात कर कोई जो तेहि भक्ति कहा सुख होय जो या पर हनुमान चालीसा होय सिद्धि साधी गौरीसा तुलसीदास सदा हरि जय ही जय नाथ हृदय महादेव ही जय नाथ हृदय महादेव ही जय नाथ हृदय महादेव
पवन तनय संकट हरण मंगल मूर्ति रूप राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय में बसहूँ सुरभूप। बोलिए पवन सुत हनुमान की। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। प्रेम से बोलो भवानी शंकर भगवान की, पवन सुत हनुमान की, सिया भज रामचंद्र की, राधा कृष्ण भगवान की जय। Good to see all of you. I know it's a beautiful Saturday evening and many of you are out. I haven't done this in a while, but I'd like to say Sitaram and Jai Shri Krishna to all of you. I know many of you are out doing, some relaxation with your family, well deserved. But I'm still glad to have so many of you online to continue our journey of satsang. I want to say Jai Shri Krishna to Auntie Lakshmi Punai and Uncle Pedro, Sitaram to you and Indira Singh, Jean Suraj Bali, Patsi Mahadev, Indra Rajkumar, Hemati Ram Sarup, Niveta Chalu, Kavita Sukhbir, Prano Budhu, Dayan Totaram, Gita Ram Pratap, Dhanraji Prasad, Indira Shikasul Mahavir, Gomati Narayan, Sabitri Manbodh, Indira Singh, Oma Bhagwandin, Devika Prasad Nasir, Suzy Ramartan, Adrian Sanjeev Sahabidin, Sabita Singh, Mala Raghunandan, Shanti Mohan, Devram Jivan, Zamina Lachman, Patsi Mahadev, Vidyan Ganeshan Gauri, Savitri Manbodh, Pearl Sevak, Tina Prasad, Didi Shanti from Guyana, Bev Ramcharan, Anji Prasad, Didi Chandra from Markham, Sita Nath, Parvati Budhu, Sunil Hussain, Vidya Basiram, Kamla Ramatar, Geeta Balram, Ken Ram Narayan, Indira Singh, Devati Ram Narayan, Hingraj, Sati Singh, Dalip and Mama, Sati Singh, Drupati Sitaran, Indira Singh, Anji Prasad, Jai Sitaram everyone, Jai Shri Krishna, God bless all of you. Chandravati Sukram, Maharani Khan, blessings to all of you and have a very blessed night. See you tomorrow evening, 8 p.m. tomorrow night, 8 to 9 p.m. please, make a note of it and pass the word around. Suvika Prasad, of course, you're welcome. Glad we can celebrate with your mother. Stay blessed, everyone. Jai Sitaram.